Tell me a little
Yeah,
bit more about the jet lag pill.
yeah, and this is an interesting one too because I was like, really a drug for jet lag? I mean, there's really something that you can do to so that you feel like you're actually on the right sleep schedule. That seems weird to me. But sure enough, there's a company out there called Vanda Pharmaceutical, and they have a drug on the market already that's being used to help people who are blind adjust their sleep cycles to the 24-hour sleep cycle. If you're blind and you're blind to the point where you can't sense any light, you have a very hard time, obviously, figuring out when you should be sleeping and when you should be awake. So they just developed a drug called Hetlioz. Probably pronounced that completely wrong. That helps to target that. And one of the things they discovered is that, hey, if we use this in people who, got jet lag, it helps them more quickly get on the right time zone too. So, they've done a couple smaller studies. They're going to do one confirmatory study, a phase 3 study that should begin soon. And they think they could have results from that study as early as 2017. So, if so, that means that people who are world travelers may have a new option, maybe as early as 2018.
Wow, that's crazy. Label expansion for you.
Yeah,
I,
absolutely.
I, I have to wonder how exactly that works. I mean, how do they know just how jet lagged you are? Because you don't want to overcompensate, you know?
I know, and I'm sure that they're going to be. Obviously, they're spending all sorts of time, research, and energy on it. They think that this could be a huge product for them because according to the company Vanda Pharmaceutical, 100 million people a year are traveling more than 5 time zones. So
Wow.
you figure even if a small percentage of those people, can benefit from this drug, then that could make this a very strong seller. So
Yeah.
from an investor's perspective, you might want to keep an eye on Vanda Pharmaceuticals.
Yeah. I can't
It's a
imagine that the
small
drug
cap
would.
drug is risky, but it's interesting.
Yeah. I can't imagine that the drug's going to end up being terribly expensive, but with a population that big, it's like, okay, well, that could add up. That's so interesting.